Grapes is the rich source of carbohydrate, vitamin C, vitamin K, and vitamin A. Grapes are cultivated worldwide. Um, in 2022, China ranked first in production, followed by Italy, France, Spain, USA. India secured seventh position in the production. And from this chart, it is clear that in 2022, these are great statistics. The area and production significantly increased from 2018 to 2022, but productivity varied year to year. And in 2022, the area was 1.16 million hectare, and the production was 3.40, and the productivity was 20.80 tons per hectare. But this is the Indian scenario. The top five grapes producing states are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. In 2022, Maharashtra contributed 71% of the Indian production, followed by Karnataka, that was 21%. And but in our West Bengal condition, the grapes are grown as a minor crop, and we have just some orchard for the research purpose, and the yield is very low in West Bengal condition. And in West Bengal, grapes are pruned at the second fortnight of the January, and the crops are harvested at the end of the June. But there is the scope in literate zone to adapt the crop and spread it. For the disease scenario of grapes in India, grapes suffer from various biotic and abiotic factors. Among biotic factors, these are the most important. The major diseases are anthracnose, downy mildew, bacterial leaf spot, powdery mildew, leaf blight, and rust. These cause various yield loss as well as the quality of the grapes fodder. Farmers use more chemicals to manage the disease. It is not only the very expensive, but it is the bad impact on the human as well as the environment. Most of the farmers don't know the exact time and need-based application of the chemicals. For considering this, the three objectives were to study the dynamics of different foliage diseases of grapes under the data different zones of West Bengal, analyze the influence of weather variable on different foliage diseases of grapes, evaluation of fungicidal management of powdery mildew disease of grapes. The study was conducted at Regional Research Substation Data Zone in Vidhan Sabha Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, Shekhampur, West Bengal during 2021 and 22. Arka Nilomani variety with 9 to 10 years age group were used, and for the disease observation, fixed plot survey was followed, and 20 plant samples were assessed at 15 days interval. And for the disease scoring, different scale were followed. In case of adhesive leaf spot and alternaria leaf blight, the 0 to 9 scale was used, and in case of rust and powdery mildew, the 0 to 5 scale was followed. And for disease severity, was calculated from the percentage disease index formula. And for the correlation analysis of disease and the environmental parameters, specific formula and SPSS statistical software were used. And powdery mildew is the most important disease in our red and laterite condition. And the disease appeared two types. And initially the disease attacked the crop at the bud formation. This is a very crucial for the yield aspect. In this management study, we use the storyline compound, which is more safer and more effective. In this management study, Arka Nilamani variety we used, RBD design with 5 treatments and 4 applications were used, and 6 vines per plant with 3 meter by 0.5 meter were considered and 2 times foliar application at the 15 days interval were done. This is the result for symptomatology study. The specimen was identified on the basis of the disease symptoms. Isolated leaf spot disease was identified at the red and laterite zone of West Bengal. The small grayish brown spot scattered all over the leaf surface, and then spots collars become blackish brown and cover all over the leaf surface. Both leaf surface become affected, gradually turns into necrosis. And for the pathogen confirmation, until the study was done in the laboratory, this is the conidia and meta structure with the size. And the other disease is the alternaria blight, which appear at the tip and edges of and potentially to irregular spot with light brown centers and dark brown borders leading to the leaf blight. This is the conidial structure of the alternaria species. And other disease is the rust disease. Yellowish orange pustules are formed on both surface of the leaf. And this is the urine spore of the pathogen under microscope study. And it is a powdery mildew disease. Fine whitish powdery growth appear on leaf, shoot, and berries. And it is a disease dynamics. From this study, it is clear that alternaria leaf spot was observed from second fortnight of February to first fortnight of August, whereas isolated leaf spot was observed from second fortnight of July to second fortnight of November. And rust disease was appeared second fortnight of August to second fortnight of December, and powdery mildew appeared 2 times. One is the pre-monsoon and another is the post-monsoon. The pre-monsoon it is prevailed from first fortnight of March to second fortnight of April, and post-monsoon it was from second fortnight of September to second fortnight of December. And this is the correlation coefficient, and from this table it is clear that disease progress rate of isolated leaf spot was significantly positively correlated with maximum temperature, minimum temperature, rainfall, minimum relative humidity, and sunshine hours. But in case of alternaria leaf spot disease, the disease progress rate was significantly positively correlated with Tmax and sunshine hours. But thus, the disease progress rate was significantly positively correlated with only sunshine hours. This is the management trial, powdery mildew management trial. From this table, from this graph, it is clear that the lowest PDI of leaves and berries below 10% so was observed from picoxystrobin followed by azoxystrobin and desoxymethyl, and the maximum disease reduction and of leaves and berries up to 70% was obtained from picoxystrobin followed by azoxystrobin and desoxymethyl. And from this management study, it was concluded that 2 foliar spray at 15 days interval with picoxystrobin 22.52% SC at the rate of 400 ml per hectare were more effective, followed by azoxystrobin 23% SC at the rate of 500 ml per hectare, and desoxymethyl 44.3% SC at the rate of 700 ml per hectare. But the conclusion is, in red and yellow, there were the 4 diseases: isolated leaf spot, alternaria leaf blight, rust, and powdery mildew. Alternaria leaf spot disease was observed from second fortnight of February to first fortnight of August. Isolated leaf spot disease was observed from second fortnight of July to second fortnight of November. Rust disease was observed second fortnight of August to second fortnight of December. Powdery mildew disease was observed during the pre-monsoon, that is first fortnight of March to second fortnight of April, and post-monsoon, that is second fortnight of September to second fortnight of December. The disease progress rate of isolated leaf spot was significantly positively correlated with Tmax, Tmin, RF, RH mean, and SS sunshine hours. The disease progress rate of alternaria, leaf spot, and blight was significantly positively correlated with Tmax and sunshine hours. The disease progress rate of rust was significantly positively correlated with sunshine hours. Applying picoxystomin 32.52% at the rate of 400 ml per hectare twice at a 15 days interval is highly effective in controlling powdery mildew disease in our West Bengal condition. Thank you.
So, thank you, Dr. Raju Das. So, he's very well in time to finish his talk. And it is really very impressive that the scientists presenting their work. They work on various crop plants apart from the regular wheat, rice, potato, and these plants. So, they are working on these fruit plants, grapevines, mango, chrysanthemum. So these are non-usual plants. So they are working on these aspects. So these are really good. So now I invite Dr. Shravani Devnath. Dr. Shravani Devnath will speak on eco-friendly and sustainable management of Fusarium equisiti by using Trichoderma species. Dr. Shravani Devnath. She is also from Department of Plant Pathology, Vidhanachandra Krishi Vishwavidyalaya.
Good evening to all. My topic is eco-friendly and sustainable management of Fusarium equisiti by using Trichoderma species. Maize is an damaging crop, and it is a C4 plant, and it is belonging to the family Poaceae, and its wild ancestor is Teosinte and originated from Central America and Mexico, and it is also called as queen of cereals because of its highest genetic yield potential. And it is of different types like sweet corn, field corn, dead corn, popcorn, waxy corn, and berry corn. And globally, it is 14. It has 14. It is 14th position in terms of growing area, and it is 7th in terms of production. And in West Bengal also, the area production and productivity is increasing day by day. In last 5 years, the area increased from 2,64,000 to 3,62,000 hectares. And the main maize growing districts of West Bengal are this Nadia, Malda, Murshidabad, North Dinajpur, Jalpaiguri, Coachbihar, Darjeeling, Kalimpong, Purulia, Alipurduar. These 10 districts are mainly, and it has very much important uses. Mainly it is used as fodder, poultry feed, and ethanol-based industries. And among 35 main important uses of maize in India, Fusarium is causing a very much important disease, that is post-flowering stalk rot, which is very much devastating and can loss up to 100%. And we have got so many species of Fusarium, and among that, Fusarium equisiti is new one from West Bengal, and this type of symptoms are found. These types of symptoms are found in case of maize by Fusarium equisiti. And the main objective of this study is to isolate and identify the causal organism, that is especially the Fusarium equisiti, and its morphological and molecular characterization, and to identify suitable bioagents, because we are facing so many hazards by using chemicals for disease management. And this Fusarium is also soil-borne pathogen, so it is very much difficult to manage this disease. So we have tried for some bioagents and trichoderma, especially trichoderma. We have tried for this experiment, and these are the materials used for this experiment, and these are the methodology, that is for inhibition percentage, for calculating inhibition percentage. This formula is used, and Bell scale is used for scoring of the antagonism between bioagent and the pathogen. Fusarium is a ascomycetes phytel and macrospores, and this is producing macrospores and microspores. And the growth behavior of Fusarium equiseti, we have got actually 4 isolates of Fusarium equiseti from different locations. And these are the locations, 6 locations and 5 locations, and we have used this the Fusarium equiseti isolated from Pollani, that is from leaf, and from husk, from leaf and stalk we have isolated these Fusarium equiseti, and these are the gene bank accession number we have taken. And in all the cases, the colony colored in PTA media in all the cases it is light brown. And mainly the growth type is moderately fluffy. Only Fusarium equiseti from Lalgola, it is highly fluffy. And this is the I have already told that this is a new disease we have found in West Bengal for the first time, and this is the disease spread. The phases it is spreading, and ultimately it is completely destroying the leaf surface and the whole plant. And for in vitro management study, we have used 8 isolates of trichoderma. We have isolated from our local area, and we have taken the gene bank accession number, and those are also morphologically identified. And as because these 8 isolates are very much vigorous in growth, and their growth habit is vigorous, so we have used this 8 isolates. And this is the dual culture, and in this case T10 gave the best result, following T4, T9, etc. But T10 is doing consistently good for both the second day and 7th day. And this is the result we have got, and for day 2, the T10 and T4 was shown the same result in pathogen inhibition, and in 7th day the T10 is good, and followed by T9, T4. So this can be concluded that we have also taken the cultural accession number from National Agriculturally Important Microbial Culture Collection for this Fusarium equiseti isolate from Pollani, and we can say that the T10 isolate of trichoderma is best, and after the whole study was under in vitro condition. So if we get the same result from the field also, we can go for formulation of this trichoderma, and we can recommend this isolate for the farmers also, for farmers field for management of this disease.
Thank you, Dr. Meghna.